Hi guys, and happy Father's Day. You're going to give. Then let's see you on it. Yung parang yan mo yung mga alis mo na kayo.
Uwi siya from the ito, but love you daddy.
Gusto ni Gabri.
Okay.
That's it. Let me see your email.
You better check the inside as well.
Not
Daddy.
to see an email.
Hey, wag. I got a
You have
surprise.
some toys.
Quiet, quiet.
Ready to go. Francis talagang kompleto. Francis ready. Happy Father's Day!
What is it, Tommy? No.
Masyadong malapit.
Okay, go.
What? The email inside. Your email inside. The letter is
Check the
inside.
thing inside there.
What? There's another email. It's a toy. What? Why the another email? Why the another email?
Guess the
Toy. Wow. You have
yeah, some sweets.
Ooh.
Ganyan.
Oh.
What's this?
Some sweets.
It's a toy.
It's like some smoke.
Ooh.
Yan naman yung pastillas.
Oh.
Ano gagawin dito? Anong ginagawa dito? Ginagawa na lang?
Yeah, ganun. Yeah,
Shake lang?
yeah. Yeah, it's like a... Yeah, anyway. Tried pastillas.
Wow.
Pwede naman, oo. Kahit, sabi ko kasi kung may kanin lang. Hindi ko alam, itanong ko. Pwede naman kahit dalawa. Mami, ano gusto mo? Ano? Plain? Plain na lang?
Pastillas.
Tatlong gano'n na lang.
Yummy.
Also, check
Sorry.
check my pastillas video if you wanna know the ingredients. Okay?
Wow, who made this?
Me.
Who are you?
You. But you
They ate theirs.
you ate mine.
They ate theirs.
Thank you.
Okay.
What are they making?
Oreo. Oreo matcha and